generators. The comprehensive technical strength of our engines reaches the first tier in the world, catering to the diverse energy needs of users, including natural gas, biogas, associated petroleum gas, coalbed methane gas, industrial exhaust gas, and hydrogen. The maximum power of our generator sets can reach 2 megawatts with efficiency of more than 40% and annual online operation time of more than 8,000 hours. NOx emission of less than 500 milligram per nanometer cube, an oil consumption rate of less than 0.3 grams per kilowatt hour. The maintenance interval is over 2,000 hours, and the overall period is up to 80,000 hours.